DJI, once they get you down perfect, the Osmo Action 4 will be out. And what are we going to call the DJI Osmo Action 3rd generation Osmo Action 4? Well, everybody thought an Osmo Action 2 was going to come out, was going to be a 2nd generation of the Osmo Action, and it was a cubular module like the Insta360 1R. And the 1RS and DJI Action 2, they went after one another. And Action 3 went after the GoPro. Now, who else can the Osmo Action 4 go after when they make that camera? What more can they do and add to the camera to make it better than your competitor that's out there on the market? And of course, you're going to say the competitor is going to say the same thing. What can we do to better both of us? Put a bigger sensor in. Well, bigger sensor's not going to help, especially an action camera. We saw that. Low light shot. You want to see a video, a movie, a show on history about them using Sony's, Canons, and GoPros? And you could tell when they use a GoPro. They try their best to get the jitters out. And the picture is called Alone. 10 seasons already running. And they're doing a good job at that using the camera. Well, it makes you want to go get one of those Sony's handy cams. So that's what they're using that does a great job. But the problem with that, they show everybody gets hundreds of batteries. But now they're going to be in dead of winter. Those batteries won't even hold the charge. Batteries don't love cold at all. And action cameras, right, Mr. Cat? The Osmo Action 4, mostly going to have better sound, improved sound. It's going to have noise canceling, omnidirectional sound, front sound, back sound. Oh yeah, the mics are going to be much better. And they're going to be really improved this time round. We hope. We're going to call Rocksteady 3.0, or we're going to call it Rocksteady 4.0, because Action 1 would be Rocksteady 1.0, Action 2, 2, Action 3, 3, Action 4, 4.0, like hyper smooth, right? And you're going to call Time Warp, Time Lapse, Hyperlapse the same thing. Better colors, better sensor, better sound, better filing system, better menu, better interface, you bet. A better camera, almost like the $6 million man. But what's right around the corner, instead of just trying to wish for a DJI Osmo Action 4, is, you bet, a GoPro Hero 12, a few months away. Oh yeah, all of July, August, and September, that's it, baby. 3 months away, and you got yourself a much better camera on the market. Hyper Smooth 5.0, Time Warp 5.0, a wider sensor, a better color system, and awesome sound with capsulated around. You have omnidirectional forward, back, and most likely an internal wireless Bluetooth transmitter built in. Face tracking, motion tracking, and all those QR schedule reports, automatic features, and a better low light camera soon to come to the market. All we could do is hope and wish for. Yeah, we'll get the camera out, but it may not be what you're looking for or wanting in the camera, but that is how cameras are. 3 years later, did everybody get what they want? A half a year later, did everybody wanted that extra feature and spend all that unwanted money? I don't know.